Mrs. Compton, and today we're starting with a true or false. So if you have your whiteboard and marker nearby, grab it because you can use your whiteboard and marker for this warm-up to solve, and you can also show it to your teacher if you're doing this in your class Zoom or in your class, because we're back. All right, so is this true or false? 115 plus 85 equals 200. All right, so take a moment. You can hit pause. You can think about it. All right, on your whiteboards, true or false? 1, 2, 3, show me. Did you say true? Let's see, maybe you probably thought 10 plus 80 is 90, and 5 plus 5 is 10. And these two together would make 100, but we also already had 100. So if we group these together, I'm going to put a little hug around these guys. That's 100 and that's 100. Then together that would make 200. So that one would be true. All right, erase your boards. I'm going to erase mine too. I'm going to pause myself and I'm going to get the next one up. Ready? Here it is. True or false? This image shows 374 plus 142. All right, so check it out. All right, is that true or is it false? All right, on the count of 3, let me see it. 1, 2, 3, show me. It is true. You guys got that. Okay, now I'm going to build off of this one for my next part. Okay, so I'm going to keep the image and I'm going to erase the question. I'm going to write a new one. So I'm going to hit pause. Be right back. Here we go. There are 12 tens. True or false? All right, let me see your boards. Ready? 1, 2, 3, show me. Did you write true or false? Let's check it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There were 11 tens. So this one is false. There are 11 tens. Now I have a question for you. How much are 11 tens worth? How much are 11 tens worth? That would be, let's see. Can we put some of them together to make 100? So let's see. How many tens would make 100? Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, so we would need 10 tens to make 100. So let's put 10 of the tens together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this right here makes 100. And then we still have this 110 left. All right. So I guess I have another question for you. So I'm going to hit pause. I'm going to write my new question. Be right back. Okay, there's my next question. This image shows 404. So I want to know if this is showing us the number 404. All right, on your boards, let me see. 1, 2, 3, show me. It's false. Yeah, I tried to catch you guys and like trick you a little bit because I thought maybe some people would go 100 and another 100 and another 100, and then this made 100. So 100, 200, 300, 400. 401, 402, 403, 404. And maybe you just forget about everything else. I don't know. But this is 404, but we still have this 100, this 10, and 2 ones to add. So what number does this actually show us? Let's see. Okay, so 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 510, 511, 512, 513, 514, 515, 516. Woo! We have 516. So how much was I off by if I thought it was 404? I needed 108 more to go. So I would have had to add that other block there, right? Wait, did I say 108? I think I made a mistake there because as I was thinking about it, I was like, wait a minute, that doesn't really match my picture. So it's not 108 to go. It was 100, a 10, and a 2 more to go. So really I had 112 to go. Remember, not even teachers are perfect. I bet you guys didn't know that, huh? Just kidding. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna we're gonna see our story, which is all about one of my favorite things, dog treats. Now, not my favorite thing. No, I don't like to eat dog treats, but I love dogs. I have 2 little dogs, and they love their treats. That is for sure. All right, so here we've got dog treats. Billy has dog treats in the treat jar. He then finds some more treats in the pantry. Now Billy has dog treats. How many dog treats did Billy find in the pantry? Okay, so let's check this out with some numbers. We've got 110 and 215, 175 and 230, 211 and 278. All right, you can see I'm ready for my number set. 110, 215. So let's make sure that we really have this picture in our mind, right? So second graders, as we're stopping and thinking, we should be imagining in our minds what we're seeing and the story. And in my mind, I will probably use some sort of tools like this, and I'll probably have dogs in my mind with dog treats, right? All right, so here we go. Billy has 110 dog treats in the treat jar. Okay, stop to imagine. See the treat jar? See it crammed with lots of treats, 110 of them. He then finds some more treats in the pantry. All right, so he already has the 110 in here, but then he finds more in the pantry. And now Billy has 215 dog treats. How many dog treats did Billy find in the pantry? So we don't know how many he found in the pantry, but what we do know is Billy's starting number, and we know his ending number. We don't know the pantry number. We don't know what to do there. Now, question for you. Can he find like 300 treats in the pantry if these are my numbers? That can't be because, he's only going to have 215 dog treats in the end. So that's his ending number. So we have to find out how many dog treats he found in the pantry. All right, kids. So I really want you to make sure you're using your tools. You can use pictures. You can use, if you have these at home, you can use these too. You can use anything you want, but make sure you're making sense of the story. All right, kids, I'll see you next week. Bye.